This way, this way.
Whoa, this place is huge. Wow.
Yep.
So how many pictures are here?
Millions?
More.
Billions?
More.
Zillions?
Close. Think about all the pictures you've ever seen. Family pictures, vacation pictures.
That's a lot of pictures.
Yep.
Grand Canyon, my parents' honeymoon.
So how many pictures are here?
Just all the important ones.
Halloween. My life as a hobo. That's you.
Listen. Can you hear them?
Hear what?
Listen, just listen.
I can't hear anything.
The pictures. They're talking.
The pictures are talking?
Yeah, but you have to be quiet. You have to be very, very quiet, and you can hear them.
What are they saying?
They're saying, keep me,
The pictures are saying, keep me?
protect me,
Protect me?
share me,
Share me.
keep me, protect me, share me, and I will live forever.
I can hear them. I can hear them too.
This place is cool.
What's this place called?
We call it FamilySearch, where families live forever.
FamilySearch. Cool.
Keep me, protect me, share me. Huh.